sad about it. Honestly, I was so low the day I came back home. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and as you can see, today's location is quite different because I'm in my new house and I'm super excited to show you guys around. It's not actually my new house, it's my parents' new house, but yeah, whatever. So I am not a vlogger kind of person because honestly I can't vlog because I tried vlogging at airport but it sucked. So I don't think I can vlog, but I am going to still post this vlog anyway because it's very special. It's very close to my heart because my parents have been working on this house since 97. It's actually a year before I was born and it's finally done, and the house is so gorgeous, it's so beautiful. And you know what, I feel like it should be a celebration that this house is finally done. And also I'm going to show you guys around, like at least my room for sure, because I love my room. Like, I so wish that I would live here permanently because it's so pretty. Also, one more thing guys, I'm not living here permanently, so we'll be only coming here like twice a month, you know, to have a chill weekend, and maybe on Diwali, on summer vacation, stuff like that. You get the point, right? This is a very special video and I just want to say congrats to my mom and dad. That's the reason I'm posting this video. So yeah, I hope you guys like my first attempt at vlogging, and I'll just stop talking now because I'm talking way too much, and I'll just show you guys around.
आते नहीं सदे
अगर वीडियो है चलना चले Hi guys, so we are leaving for Goa and then we are going to my native place और my घर की पूजा. And say hi to Diksha. Hi. I don't know how to vlog, but I'm trying. And I need to look over here. I'll try. Say hi. What about you? I don't know little. You don't know little English? I don't. It's okay. You can talk in Marathi. No. You are just trying.
I don't know little how to talk in English.
Little. Oh, very nice. Very good. Good effort.
अय्या मैं आयलैंड में सोफा मिल गया कल झाले मारे अय्या
Obsessed with my nails.
उपयोग कराने और शौचालय के उपयोग कराने के बाद काफी सैनिटाइज करें.
Happy Diwali, guys. So this is the mirror which I got from IKEA, and this is what it looks like. I need to clean it properly. I really love these kind of like standing mirrors. And then here is my bed. I need to get a solid white bed sheet. This one is actually quite transparent. You can see the mattress underneath. So I need to get a good white bed sheet. And then I have a rug which is from Home Center. And again, the bed is from IKEA. Did I tell you that? And then here is a chest of drawers, which actually is really cool. You can store a lot of stuff in here. Like, it's all messed up right now, but you can store a lot of stuff in here. Like, the space is huge. And then I have like 3 cute little things here. There are 2 perfumes from Zara. I love perfumes from Zara. And then I have a diffuser which is from Miniso. I think it was for 250 rupees and it smells really good. And I think it looks really cute because everything is so white. I think this brings back the color. And yeah, then here is my window. And then here is my most favorite part, which is the canopy. I love this. Got the net thing from IKEA, and the fairy lights actually are from Amazon. And also the rug is from Amazon. I'll link everything down below. And this little plant here is an artificial plant which is from IKEA. And then I have used an extension box to like switch on these fairy lights, and I think the canopy looks really good. And trust me, the room looks so much better like in person. It looks really nice, and it's very cute. Right now the lighting is not so good because I'm filming it at night, and I mean there are lights in here too, but I don't like the white lights, so I wanted to show you everything in yellow. And yeah, this is the final room. I have a lot of things planned. Like, I want to put up some frames in this area. And hi. Hey guys, so I was trying to film Get Ready With Me, but I was running so late, so I skipped that. So this is my outfit, and I think it's quite loose for me, but that's fine. And this is what I did. It's not perfect, I messed up because I am running late. I still need to take my dupatta and I'll head out, like I'll go down for puja. Bye! Bye bye, freedom. as you guys can see, I'm back home and I tried my best at vlogging, but I know it wasn't the best vlog you watch. I was just showing you guys around, I was not even talking. And honestly, every time there used to be a fun moment, I used to struggle to open my phone and open my camera and switch on the video. And jab tak I used to do all of that, the moment used to get over. And I feel like when you vlog everything, you might end up missing that moment in real. I mean, you can capture it on camera, but maybe it's because I'm just not used to vlogging. I was just having a hard time like switching on the camera and shooting everything. So I tried my best to vlog, but still I uploaded it anyway because all of my family was so excited to be on my YouTube channel. And Pratham, my little brother, he was also so excited to be on my channel. He loves YouTube, so I thought why not. And plus it was a very important day for my mom and dad. I'm just so proud of my mom and dad. It's such a beautiful house. Just can't wait to go there and live. We were 16 people at the airport. We were 16 people at the house. I think there were more people at the house. And honestly, I think that might also be the reason I was not able to vlog, because there was just like lot going on around and I was just so confused what to capture and what to not. And honestly, I can't wait to go back there. And this time I had time constraint. I had to come back and do some things. But my mom and dad are still there and half of my family is still there. I was the one to leave first and I feel so sad about it. Honestly, I was so low the day I came back home. I just wanted to be at my house. I just wanted to be in my room. I think more than house, it was so many people together, like all of my family together under one roof. It just rarely happens that all of them comes together, and all of them were together for the puja because everyone is so busy in their life. And I think because so many people were there, it was so much fun. And right now it is 2:30 a.m. I just finished filming an entire video. It's so late and I'm so tired. I just want to get rid of this makeup. And I have one product to show you guys because I have been reaching out to it quite a lot, especially on days like this when I just want to go to my bed. So the product that I have here is the Mamaearth Micellar Water Makeup Remover. Now I really enjoy using this because it does get rid of my makeup pretty easily, and it is really so satisfying to watch that makeup come off. And it has this silicone brush on top of it which is very gentle. So what it does is it makes sure that all of your makeup is out of your face. And this is very important because guys, when you have makeup stuck on your face, when you do not cleanse your face properly, the makeup can clog your pores and it can lead to so many skin issues, especially acne. So it's really important that you get rid of all of the makeup that's on your face. And this is like a 2-in-1 product. It also breaks down your makeup pretty easily and it is a face wash as well. And honestly, if you're looking for a makeup remover which won't take a lot of time, trust me guys, this is a really good product. So it also has a cap on top like this, which I forgot showing you guys. It makes sure that the brush stays clean, and the brush is actually a silicone brush, so you can remove it and you can clean it. You can see that the brush isn't really white because honestly I have been using this product quite a lot. So it smells really good. It smells like roses because it contains rose water, and it also contains glycolic acid, which is an AHA, which will gently exfoliate your face. It does not contain a high concentration of glycolic acid, which makes it perfect for everyday basis. So it will gently exfoliate your face and it will also get rid of all of your makeup. So I'm going to show you guys how this works, and you can literally see how satisfying it is when you see that makeup coming off. So first I'm going to remove my lashes. I always wanted to do this the Instagram style, and I'm doing this for the first time on my video. So yeah, I'm going to remove my lashes. So it comes out like a foam, you can see. All the products from Mamaearth are free from harmful chemicals and they are all natural. Mamaearth is an Indian brand and it is PETA approved, and it is also plastic positive. And what really amazes me about this is that every time you buy from Mamaearth's official website, they will link your order to a tree that they plant, and they will also send you the exact geolocation of the tree, the species of the tree, and the photograph of the tree. Isn't that really amazing? And you can buy all of their products from Mamaearth, Nykaa, Purple and Amazon. So I'm back after removing my makeup, and as you can see, all of my makeup has came off. and this product here retails for 399 rupees, but you can use my coupon code to get 20% off on Mamaearth's official website. So yeah, we come to the end of this vlog. I hope you enjoyed watching my first attempt at vlogging. Even if you didn't, then also please show some love in comment section, because I'm pretty sure all of my family would be reading all of your comments. So please be sweet. And yeah, I hope you enjoyed watching this video. If you did, then please give this video a thumbs up, and please take a moment and subscribe to my channel. It would mean so much to me. And also take good care of yourself wherever you are, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.
When the stars align with a certain mind, you can read the lines and you shall find a universal law, just one of a kind. Look up to the sky, let yourself unwind. Hey now, it's passing so fast that you'll miss